You show them the beginner mistake like this. That's the beginner mistake.
Yeah,
There.
because
Most
like
beginners walk
most-
like this,
yeah,
and that.
yeah, because if you walk like this, you're pushing yourself in, so you might break your legs.
Mm.
So for beginners, you just do this. You
You
stretch
need to
your
balance.
you need to stretch your arms. Just do the marching. Don't because if you're a beginner, you just started, like really started. You do this agad, you will actually fall agad,
Mm.
and you might break something. Like because when I was quad skating, I was out of the control, and I fell, and my wheels hit here, so I kind of hit a little bit. It was very
How do they do the marching?
you just lift your feet like this, not high like this. That's called high nina. So you just do like a low like that lang.
Mm.
And then when you get the hang of it na, a couple more days, you will be able to do this.
Whoa! How did you do that turn?
Well,
When did you learn that turn?
I forgot. Maybe last Tuesday, I think.
How long? From when you started, how long?
Oh, it took me like 1 month.
1 month. Whoa. What are your tips on turning?
My tips on turning: if you're still a beginner, you can just step. When you're gliding na, just step where you're going. Just a tiny step.
Wow. Tiny steps.
Yeah, like this.
What else?
Maybe you can practice in your home, and if you have a backyard, just find a smooth place like this floors. And just try to go to a place that you can go through. If you can go through bumps na, you can like go to a street, because street is bumpy. A little. It's a because I've been street skating in a circle. Well, the place I went to is called Circle, and I just skate really, 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 really fast. There's a downhill there. I go in there, so I kick, 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 kick. Actually, when you're like better now, you want to go fast, you just do this, because the more you do this, the more speed you get. But also, you can also do like a relaxed skating. You will also get faster.
Can you show us the relaxed skating and the fast skating? What are you going to show first?
The relaxed skating.
Relax, okay.
Because I like speed more, so I'm safe.
Okay.
I'm going to do the speed turn.
Okay.
When I do my speed skating, I'll just start to hit.
Okay.
I usually cannot stop when I'm fast, but when I'm like I'm not really fast. I just do a two-step. Then when I'm slow, now I turn.